So third and final round. So what we have in front of us here is distilled water that's dissolved both our dextrose and our sodium hydroxide, 250 milliliters of distilled water in the mason jar, 4 grams of dextrose, 3 grams of sodium hydroxide. We have had for a couple minutes, one of our mason jars sitting in an ice bath, another's just been at room temperature, and then this pot has been sitting for about an hour on a burner, and you can still see it, we can see it still steaming a little bit. And Allison here's gonna give the methylene blue a shake, and the usual 3 drops. Try not to get any on the table so mom doesn't, you know. There you go. Go ahead and cap that. Get it on there real good. And then let's cap these. Let's not move them just yet and shake them, but let's cap them. And sis, when you give these a shake this time, do it vigorously. Okay, ready? There you go, shake hard. Okay, drop it in there. Drop it in your pan. I'm gonna try to get this closer so people can see it and get an angle. Holy cow, look at that. Gone. No, you did fine, Allison. Just for giggles, let's try to get that closer to see that we can get the angle of the camera. It's gone already. Good job, kid. So that's obviously clear. And it looks like our middle one is maybe to our eye. Can you see it beginning to go just a teensy bit? It does seem like it does that, doesn't it, sis? Go ahead and give it a third shake. Go ahead and drop it back in there. Yeah, it's insane how fast it is. You can see our middle one going here. So that's cleared up. Let's see if this ice bath one turns here. I can only upload about a 10-minute clip to YouTube. So let's be patient. Go ahead and shake yours up again. Get it really blue. Okay? That's just crazy. And that water's not even all that hot. I mean, you can stick your finger in there now. It's warm. It's like that water. Yeah. I think it's some of the reflection off of the pan. Can you make believe that anything in here is changing yet? I can't see the bottom. I don't want to disturb it because any shaking of it might get more oxygen in there. And so I want it to go. Maybe a little. It's starting to go again. You can start to see it clear. I mean, we could shake that up literally like every 20 seconds. And don't look like you're having a good time. We wouldn't want our students to think like you're having any fun. So, Allison, since it's been how long since you've been out of school now? Like 5 weeks, something like that?
Yeah.
Any cabin fever yet?
No.
No? For the people watching at home, are you an introvert or an extrovert? Go ahead. It's not like you're going to see any of these people. Okay. That's why you're totally looking at the camera and talking. So we're 6 minutes into this. I mean, we've really stunted this. Just so people at home don't get bored, I'm going to let this go to about the 8.5 minute mark, and then we're totally going to cut this off. So with the exercise I've had you do here, I've wanted you to write down the variables that you can control. This is all a version of Le Chatelier's principle. Changing concentrations, what does that do? What does changing temperatures do? And the third thing you can change in equilibrium are gases and volumes and pressures. That may not be as big of a play here. I really don't want to disturb this. Allison, as you're looking at this, can you make believe anything yet? Maybe, maybe not.
Maybe. Yeah.
Since everybody's here and we were doing the Mentos experiment, which is going to get posted later, what did the soda taste like after you had dropped the Mentos in there, just out of curiosity?
It tasted not that bad. It tasted like, well, it sounds really nice. It tastes like drinking flat soda after you just brush your teeth.
It's a ringing endorsement, guys. So we're almost at 8 minutes here. So we're going to take this out of the ice. Be very careful. We're going to see if that doesn't, maybe a little bit of heat from my hand. Want to switch containers here really quick, see if we can't get it to go? Let's see how quickly we can goose this thing.
Must be pretty cold.
It's not called an ice bath for nothing, kid. You see anything?
No.
All right, guys, since time's about up. So this is the end of your equilibrium videos. Hope you've enjoyed them. At home, give my daughter a round of applause, and we will catch you later. Allison, say bye.
Bye.